Crypto Jimbo here. How many times have you looked at the price of Bitcoin and thought, man, I wish I had bought this at X price? Or thought, man, I'm way too late now. I can't buy Bitcoin. It's too high now. But you know what? I heard this exact same thing in 2013 when we were at like 5K, 2017 at 20K, 2021 at 60K. Everyone said the exact same thing. Oh, it's too late. It's not going to go any higher. But lo and behold, a year later, it always is past that too late level. Meanwhile, a lot of people watching, if this is you, let me know in the comments. I'm suspecting that some of you in the comments have done this. For 8 years straight, you've just watched Bitcoin, told yourself, oh, I'll buy the next dip. Then you keep scrolling YouTube. I want to tell you, we are in the midst of a pullback. We were up and then now we're back down to 87K for Bitcoin today. Extreme fear in the markets. This is the dip, okay? This is the time to buy. I am buying Bitcoin right now. I'm also buying XRP, but that is another story for another day. In investing, when things feel safe, it's not the right time to buy. You're too late if things feel safe. This is a perfect time. If you have been wanting to dip your toe into crypto, that rhymes. I should make some kind of rap or song about that. But this is the time, and you can do it by just buying Bitcoin. You don't have to go crazy. You don't have to know what USDC is or Tron or Dogecoin. Just buy some Bitcoin. You know what that is. And I am partnered with iTrustCapital, where you can buy this Bitcoin in a Roth IRA. So if you're in the US, sorry, international people, US thinks they're better than everyone. USA. But you can get an extra $100 when you start a IRA or Roth IRA in iTrustCapital. And I love that my Bitcoin is in an Roth IRA. So basically, I pay the taxes when I put the money in, but if Bitcoin goes from 87 to 250K, instead of paying 15% of that, 40, 50K in taxes, it will be tax-free because I paid the tax when I put it in. I love it. It's almost like magic. But if you've been wondering, okay, fine, I want to get into Bitcoin. I want to buy some Bitcoin. What's the best way to do it? Start a Roth IRA on iTrustCapital and buy a little Bitcoin. In fact, you dollar cost average some Bitcoin. I'm a big fan of dollar cost averaging, where it's just, okay, once a month, I'm going to buy $200 worth of Bitcoin. But if you had dollar cost average $200 a month for the last 5 years into Bitcoin, you'd be sitting somewhere in the 30 to 50K range right now. And again, if you do that in a Roth IRA, you wouldn't have any taxes to pay on that. So there's no time to start like the present. And that's kind of the safe end of crypto. If you're wanting to get a little bit more speculative, I've been working with this company called Nomy and just kind of experimenting with them a little bit. But they've been going for 6 years with $7 billion in assets. It's not a bank. It's not FDIC insured. This would be the riskier side of crypto. So, my retirement crypto, I put into an IRA like this and just do Bitcoin. But for more of the speculative, I like to diversify, and Nomy is something worth checking out on that side of things. But they give you a credit card for you to buy things in the real world with crypto, and they have a huge giveaway going right now. When you sign up, you can win an Audi. I think there's like $500,000 in potential prizes there. So I kind of like to have the two buckets. I have the, okay, here's my retirement. This is safer. This is just Bitcoin, but it's going to have a lower return. Crypto gives a pretty high return. Then I always like to have my bucket that I'm playing with, where I'm just experimenting with things like Nomy. So I'll leave links for those down below. So if you're watching and you've been thinking about this for years, you've been thinking about crypto, how do I get in? Your options are just keep watching forever. And, hopefully you won't regret it. As Bitcoin continues to rise higher and higher, you'll probably feel worse and worse about it. Option 2 is you can FOMO and, Bitcoin reaches $1 million and then you say, okay, finally, I'll get in at all-time highs. I see so many people buying crypto at all-time highs. It's crazy how we think about finances. But option 3 is you can start right now. So you can go to iTrustCapital. Again, if you fund $1,000 in an IRA, you get an extra $100. So you get a 10% return right off the bat. And also, if you want to play around with some, riskier on the crypto side of things, you can look at Nomy's Launchpool and their interest account. But whichever route you take, remember, sitting on the sideline is also a decision. And I'm thankful that I'm in crypto most days. So hope this was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe if you like to hear about crypto, AI, James Pelton. What's he thinking about? I appreciate you guys very much. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.